It's been months since I've been up and over. Makes me so forgettable and struggling to comprehend what's taking up my peace. I can't stand what's on the radio. I'd rather play Chicago while I'm driving to your neighborhood, speeding till I pop the roof off. But I'm not someone to say goodbye. I'm blinded by all the neon signs.
You're a masterpiece. My clothes look real good on your t-shirt with the rainbow stripe. And our time is a luxury. Oh, so sweet your company. Let's get each other up to speed. I can see the vista of your heels, then a silhouette up on the still. Dolly brush stroke with the canvas gel. Gotta let the paint dry. Bourbon make us feel fine. Body heat make the skin cry. Baby, babe, it's a good night when we wake up still on the bedside. Da 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 da. Pillow talks a symphony. Souls connect so physically, yeah. Da 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 da. Cones will shine like laser beams. Wanna feel your energy, yeah. I'm hearing you songs. Your voice leading the choir to sing. If you don't mind me asking to be heard, my heart beats with yours. You can take me on. I'm falling deep, it won't take long. So breathe in. Casey, I don't wanna buy you drugs. Like you so much better when you're not fucked up. Boy, you're just a little too much like that. Whoa, 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 whoa. Casey, I don't wanna fall in love. Trust like that, oh. Whoa, 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 whoa. I stay adamant with the same things, but I still hit her up in my daydreams. And I stop listening to my conscience, get lost in this nonsense again and again. She hangs on way too tight, like it's her dear life, and I should probably run away. Said fuck my friend's advice, just come through tonight. I'll ruin my life with you, baby. But Casey, I don't wanna buy you drugs.
Who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom. I've been chasing secrets in your heirloom. Let me do what I do best. Slow down, let me talk to you. Don't tell me about your worries, I ain't staying till the afternoon. I liked you in proximity, but now they're so far from the truth. I loved you from a distance, now I can't even stay close to you. But who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom. I've been chasing secrets in your heirloom. Who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom. I've been chasing secrets in your heirlooms. Calculating all the aftermath now.
My love language is your time and attention. Won't you give some of it to me? I've been lonely lately. I've I've been feeling neglected, and I want you to show me. Can we get back on the same page? Tonight can we stay? And why don't you talk to me? Let's start a conversation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Talk to me, we don't need a translation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. My love language is your love and affection. Won't you give some of it to me? Yeah, I need you present instead of giving me presents. You're not getting off that easily. Oh, when we get back on the same page, tonight we can.
Sometimes it can get rough when you've had enough. I'll be your Don Corleone. When you're feeling down, feeling low, you'll never be alone. Not when you're right here with me. Oh, I won't see no you and me. Every time the things get bad, promise I won't turn my